Welcome back to the channel. Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. So here I have some onions and garlic. Then I have some tomatoes, oil, aubergine, salt, frozen peas, coriander powder and turmeric. Take 3 medium-sized aubergines, also known as eggplants. Cut the top. Make 4 cuts at regular intervals on each of the aubergine. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits. Aubergines are high in fiber, low in calories, rich in antioxidants, are a good source of vitamin B1 and B6, and are good for weight loss. Now let's peel 12 garlic cloves. Insert a clove into each cut. 100 grams of aubergines contain 15 kilocalories. Pour a little bit of oil on each of the aubergines. And rub it properly on the skin. Now put them in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees. In the meantime, chop 1 large onion. In a wok, take 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, then add chopped onions. And let them cook for 7 to 8 minutes on high heat. A pro tip is that by adding salt, the onions will release water and will get cooked faster. Now while the onions are getting cooked, let's chop 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Now the oil is coming out at the corners. It means that the onions are cooked. This is when we will add the chopped tomatoes. Again, let them cook for 7 to 8 minutes on high heat. As we can see, the tomatoes are cooked now. This is when we will add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Mix it. And then add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And then mix it as well. Add frozen peas. Mix them well. Now let's take out the aubergines from the oven. Peel the skin. Add the aubergine pulp. Mix and mash the pulp. Can also use a masher. And the final step is adding salt to taste. Mix it well. And if you have liked this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.